It is fucking hot. Fucking A, it's hot. Well, listen, brother. As much as I really want to buy everybody in my family something, I fucking can't. That school is going to be around $74,000. So, man, I'm at the mall. I just got me some clothes because I haven't shopped in 3 years. It's been about 3 years, other than picking up some random stupid shirt. But I saw something that I didn't have a fucking choice. It was one of those things where you just did not have a choice but to buy it, and because it screamed Josh Birdsong. It's an outfit. It's not your usual outfit. It consists. How do I? Well, I just have to. Well, it consists of these. Just so you know, I was trying to find out how to flip the camera, but it won't let me. House shoes, and the most important thing, these underwear with a butt tape. Didn't have a choice, Josh. I bought this as soon as I went in the store. It was inevitable. Figure you can wear that around with your house shoes and look like Superman. Or special needs, you know. They had a shirt, the Superman shirt, where you flip the bottom up and it had Superman's face, but they were out of fucking mediums, man. And hello, look at the boobies. The ugly chicks were blocking the view of the chick in the pink shirt. She had nice boobs.